this is Fame from FEMIES here, and in this video we will talk about how you can achieve long-lasting curls on straight hair, and especially on straight hair extensions. So let's get into it. So the first tip, I would say, make sure your hair is clean and shampooed and conditioned. All that builds up, whether it's some oils or just even just every day, the dust or whatever that gets into your hair, it won't have any movement, so the curls will not last long and you'll weigh down your hair. Start on a clean slate. Tip number 2 I would recommend is using a carbon comb. So it might come up backwards on here. Yeah, you can't really, it's backwards on here, but this, it'll say carbon comb. You can get these from a beauty supply store. I recommend using a carbon comb because it definitely helps with flyaways while curling your hair. Now your hair is clean, you got your comb. Next thing you want to do is make sure you comb out the hair. And I don't have this glued down, so I just have it pinned down, so you might see the back of my wig lift up. So it is what it is. Also, if you're not used to using a curling iron, I recommend getting a curling wand. To me, this is a lot easier to use. So we're just going to do an example on this side. You are going to get your hand very, very close and just keep it in for a few seconds. Well, I'll say 10 to 15 seconds. If you, the tighter you do it, then of course the tighter your curl will be. The more spaced out, it'll be more of a wave, but it's so much easier. You see how easier it is? So definitely use a curling wand if you're not used to using the old school curling iron. Okay, now while I was making this video, I was going back and forth when it comes to using the curling iron and the curling wand, but I would recommend the curling wand. Now, the next tip, this is the key tip. This is very, very important. So after you curl your strand or your hair strand, while the curl is very hot, pin it up immediately. So as you can see, you see the first curl that I have pinned up, but while it is hot, please pin your curl up so that the curl can set, and do not take the pins out until your hair has cooled down. Like, actually touch the hair, like it was actually really warm after I used the curling iron. So that tip is literally like the golden sauce, and it will help keep your curls in very, very long. Now, after you pin your curl in, you want to use a holding spray, and while the curl is actually pinned down, you want to use a holding spray and lightly just spray the hair so that can even hold it more. Then once you use the holding spray, then it's okay to take the curls down. I really hope those last 2 tips help. Okay, so definitely look out for the next video where I will actually curl my whole head. So I will see you in the next video very, very soon. That will be out next week. All right, bye.